Good morning students, class 8, welcome back. Yesterday I have solved question number 1 and 2 of exercise 14.2 and today we will do question number 3. So first of all, read question number 3 from your books. That what question number 3 is saying. This question is saying that find the side of a square, means we have to find out the side of a square whose area is given to us 4900 meter square, means area of a square, it is 4900 meter square. Okay, we all know that whenever area is given to us, perimeter is given to us, then what we have to do, we have to apply the formula. So in place of area of a square, we will apply the formula of finding the area of a square, and we all know it is side square, means side square will be equals to 4900, and from here we will find out the value of side. Square goes in square root. We had all done the questions which are related to Pythagoras. In Pythagoras, when we solve the things in Pythagoras theorem, then square goes in square root to right hand side or to any side. In the same way, when the square will be get transposed to right hand side, it will go as a square root of 4900. Now we have to do the factors and find out the solution. We can write it like 49 into 100. It will be get easier to solve. 49 means 7 into 7. 100 means 10 into 10. Okay. So 1 7 and 1 10 will come outside. 7 into 10 means 70 meter, which is our needed answer. Okay, note it and read question number 4. Okay students, now see question number 4. That what question number 4 is saying. Question number 4 is saying find the area of a rectangular garden. We have to find out the area of a rectangular garden. So first of all, make one rectangle whose length is 0.3 meter and whose breadth is 2 centimeter. See, it is in meter, it is in centimeter. So first of all, we have to convert this centimeter into meter. Okay, always do the comparison in a higher unit. So how to convert it? 1 meter is how much? 1 meter is 100 centimeter, and we are going from centimeter to meter. It means from smaller unit to larger unit. It means we will divide it by 100, 2 upon 100 meter. So it will become 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 upon 50 meter. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out its area. The formula of the area is L into B of a rectangle. We all know length, it is 0.3. We are having breadth, it is 1 upon 50. So just multiply it and you will get your answer in meter square. Okay. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is saying find the area of a square whose side is 25 centimeter. So this question you have to do by yourself. This is just like question number 2. We have to just find out the area of a square. Now see question number 6 on the board. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6 is saying the diagonal of a rhombus are, means in this case they are talking about a rhombus. We all know that how the rhombus looks like. Yes, it is having all the sides equal, but the length of its diagonal is not equal. We can just give it the name ABCD, and its two diagonals are PD and second one is AC. So we can say that BD can be equals to 14 centimeter and second one it is 18 centimeter. Okay, so we all know area of a rhombus. So what is the formula? Half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, so half into, we can say diagonal 1 is BD and we can say diagonal 2 is AC. So in place of BD and AC, now substitute their values. So BD is equals to 14, AC is equals to 18. Okay, 2 7s are 14, 7 into 18. So now just do the multiplication and you will get your answer in centimeter square. Okay, so complete these questions by yourself. Okay, so students, complete this thing up to question number 6. Next question we will do in our next video. Okay, thank you very much.